In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Mailerlite landing page. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can safely remove any landing page you no longer need without accidentally touching the wrong site or campaign. Make sure you're already logged in to your Mailerlite account before we begin. First, let's navigate to the right area inside your account. From your main Mailerlite dashboard, look over to the sidebar on the left. This is where you'll find all of your main tools and sections. Find and click on the option labeled Sites. This is the central place where Mailerlite organizes your websites, landing pages, and other site-related assets. Once you're in the Sites section, look near the top of the page for different tabs. One of these will be called Landing Pages. Go ahead and click on the Landing Pages tab. This filters the view so that you only see the landing pages connected to your account, instead of all types of sites. You should now see a list of all the landing pages you've created. Take a moment to carefully locate the specific landing page you want to delete. Double-check the page's name, and if needed, look at its URL or any labels to be sure you're selecting the right one. This is important because once a page is deleted, visitors won't be able to access it, and any links you've shared will no longer work. When you've found the correct landing page in the list, look to the right side of that row. You'll see a button labeled Overview, and next to it, a small downward arrow. Click on that downward arrow to open a small drop-down menu with more options related to that landing page. In the drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Delete. It's usually accompanied by a trash can icon to make it easy to recognize. Click on Delete to start the removal process. Mailerlite will now show you a confirmation pop-up. This step is there to prevent you from deleting a page by mistake. Carefully read the message in the pop-up so you understand that this action will remove the landing page and make it unavailable to visitors. If you're sure you want to proceed, confirm the deletion by clicking the Confirm or Delete button in the pop-up. Once you confirm, Mailerlite will remove that landing page from your list. You should no longer see it under the Landing Pages tab, and the page will no longer be accessible through its previous link.